By choosing the best filling material together with the correct adjustment of your brush will considerably improve the efficiency of your sweeping. Each filling material corresponds to a particular usage. For light maintenance or fragile surfaces, such as cycling lanes, cobbles, and parking areas, or even decorative concrete surfaces, we recommend synthetic filaments. Polypropylene, polyester, nylon, or superpolyamide, such as Rilson. For regular maintenance of roads, we recommend a mixed filling brush, flat steel to scrape, and some synthetic filaments to sweep. For clearing up after roadworks, such as resurfacing, or to clear a very dirty road, we recommend a brush filled with flat steel. If the pressure is correctly adjusted on these brushes, they can also be used for regular maintenance without damaging the road surface. All our steel brushes have their bristles fixed from the top, and this system, unlike stapling, avoids the breakage of the strands. You must use a specific brush for weed removal. Our weed removal brushes are not designed for general sweeping, and you need to check that your sweeper is suited to this type of brush. For night or town center sweeping, we recommend the LL2BCA. This is a double cable with rubber coating which reduces sweeping noise and considerably extends the brush life. LL2BCA is equally very effective at sweeping leaves or sand.